Struggling to fill your campground sites? Wisconsin offers some of the best outdoor adventures in the Midwest, from its pristine lakes to rolling forests. But with so many options for travelers, how do you make your campground stand out? The secret is tapping into what makes Wisconsin special, like cheese, beer, Packers pride, to keep all your sites full year long. So tie your offerings to iconic Wisconsin experiences. Build packages around what travelers already love. Partner with a local cheese factory or brewery to offer a stay and savor deal that includes free samples or discounted tours. Imagine a family booking your campground because they get a guided cheese tasting adventure or a brewery passport showcasing the nearby craft beer hotspots. Embrace that Packers pride too. Whether it's football season or not, the Green Bay Packers are a year-round Wisconsin icon. Host game day viewing parties during the season or themed weekends in the off-season. Decorate your community spaces with green and gold and offer Packerland Campfire Special snack packs or host trivia nights with prizes for the most loyal fans. Feature Wisconsin's outdoor gems in your marketing. Highlight nearby attractions like the Ice Age Trail, Door County's Cherry Blossoms, or my favorite, the Apostle Islands. If you're close to a lake, emphasize fishing, kayaking, or a family-friendly beach outing. If your campground is near the state park or a forest, promote those hiking and biking trails. Use festivals like Milwaukee's Summerfest, Cheese Days in Monroe, or Oktoberfest in La Crosse as a draw. Offer shuttles or discounts for campers attending those festivals. Or even better, create mini versions of your campground, like a DIY bratwurst cookout or a s'mores and suds tasting with local craft beers. Capitalize on Wisconsin's seasons. In summer, feature activities like Friday night fish fries, boat rentals, or lawn games with a Midwest twist, like cornhole or giant Jenga. In fall, lure those travelers with pumpkin carving contests, hay rides, and cider tastings at local orchards. If your campground is open in the winter, embrace it with snowshoeing adventures, ice fishing tournaments, or chili cook-offs. When you infuse your campground with Wisconsin's rich culture and iconic experiences, it's not just a place to stay, it becomes a destination. From Packers-themed weekends to cheese and beer packages, every touch point brings your visitors closer to the heart of what makes Wisconsin unforgettable. Ready to turn your campground into the go-to spot for travelers? The time to act is now.